As I've mentioned in previous videos, our frappes are really important for strengthening our arch, instep, and working our toes. So when we get to our Allégro work, all of this really starts to pay off. Entrechat means interweaving or braiding, and they're done either as entrechat deux all the way up through entrechat dix. In which case, this includes everything from a changement to a royale to an entrechat cut, and so on and so forth. You are either going through a dégagé or a frappé to execute them. In this case, I'm going through the frappé. So I'm in the sur le coup de pied position derrière, and I strike the ball of my foot, I press it out, and I jump to change. Be sure to keep practicing those frappés. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about the challenges that frappés can sometimes have. I'll see you then.